We're at round 2. Walking across the tracks here. Another pedestrian bridge here. Had to park in a business parking lot, but here we are, you guys. Another pedestrian bridge. I was leading the pedestrian bridge, walking past the homeless shelter. And here's some guy walking. It's like, no, I'm not videotaping you. I don't care. Homeless encampment, excuse me. But got some glass on it. Trash. It's pretty nice too as well. That's good old no trespassing MnDOT over there. But 27th day of July 2024. Telling somebody every day. School will be in session before you know it for any families, colleges. But the fishing gourmet over there. It's nice. Here it goes. Nice day for a cigar. You can tell there's the beast over there. Yeah, it goes all the way over to Cedar Lake Road that goes all the way into Minneapolis. So there's a socialist train. It's a pretty easy one to get to. I might do the one off of Louisiana for fun way back. I got time. But here comes the socialist train. Here it comes. She comes, the HWY line. So I walked across. Better hurry up. There's your tax money. From all America. Shame on you. I effing hate you. That nice. Everyone's a little more tagged up here. A little older concrete. It's too bad. It's up here and tag this behavior. We don't live in Gary, Indiana, but for all it is 55 and poor area over here. A little closer to People Stadium over there. Like I said, there's one that they're just building. They just got done building down in Shakopee. It's really kind of cool. Lit up at night. I had to go down south one morning, down south, and it was lit up. It's kind of cool. So, but do some more lovely and talented cemeteries later on. State Fair is coming up. Might do a couple there with Sue Ellen, but we're going on the 23rd of August. Some gloves here. Glove or whatever the hell it is. Garbage right there. It's too bad that they're graffiti all over the place. It's a shame. $15 for a pack of 6 cigars. Whenever I'm in Wisconsin, we get a chance, they're cheaper. I've seen the exact same ones for $5, so Minnesota likes to screw you on cigars and cigarettes. Oh God, was that a needle right there? Maybe that's a needle, no, maybe not. a lot of poor stuff over in that area over here. More garbage. No dead bodies yet. A lot of garbage. Cedar Lake, and then you got the light rail stations over there. That's where they work on all the stuff. I think they're going to build another one by my house. So, Mob, Jackson Boys, F12. Nice. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. There was a big homeless encampment over here a long, long time ago. A lot of track out, a lot of welfare over there. So, yeah, I could have tried to park over here by the church, but yeah, I'll roll my dice, park at MTC. I pay taxes, I can park there for 20 minutes. So, yeah, these are fun to go across. Say, you know, people go back and forth. If you work over here, you can walk over there on your bike, on your bike. So, wheelchair accessible. Some are easy to get to, some are not. There's one off of 94 when they go across in St. Paul. Gotta probably go some residential to get there. Just gotta figure out how to get over there. Get the Google map out. So in the last video, a lot of people are using the DJI now, the 3. I'd like to be able to get in the business of fixing RVs. Refixing the frames, taking the bodies off and fixing them. So many cheap ones out there. But the bag down there. Who knows what's in there? I'll be on the bikes today. Oh, there's a needle. There we go. Yep. Needle City, baby. Yep. Another needle right there. Nice. I understand that, but what are you going to do, right? Yep, I'm going to get back on the highway and go that way and go through the Lowry Tunnel. Bunch of bike riders over here, you can tell. So I've always seen those trucks around the Gourmet. I know where they're at. Oh, here comes the Socialist train. That one over there, that one is crime ridden. But yeah, it's nice. The other one I was on before gets more work. This kind of leads into a obviously more crime ridden. So anyway, guys. So we'll see y'all in the next one. Maybe on the way home or something. So see y'all later. Hello 2025.